My son is absolutely obsessed with cars. So I wanted to get him this cute 10-piece car set. And I was actually surprised that this came in this really cute box. And this even has little cutouts if you really wanted to do it. But a nice thing too, this does come out. So you can easily just look. Why I love it, the details for the cars are just so beautiful. I'll take one out and I'll show you. This is packaged so well, as you can see. The Dynaco driver. These are all metal, which I love because if you have a 2-year-old, then they're really harsh with cars. But I'll take them out and I'll show you. So I've taken them all out and I will just zoom in and I'll show you one by one just how absolutely cute these are. Here's McQueen. Here's the other one. The Porsche. The Dynaco. This. The cute little Fiat little thing. And of course my son's favorite, the Mater. Super good quality. He's gonna absolutely love them.